ご無沙汰しております。Hello, and today we're gonna learn how to make longer syllables in Hiragana. This is very easy. If we want to make an a, I, or u sound longer, we just add the Hiragana a, I, or u after the character. For example, ka, mi, su would become ka, mi, su. Look at this station sign. In English, it has a little line on top of the U. This is called a macron. And in Hiragana, we have the U, making the Q sound longer. Q. If we have a syllable that finishes in O sound or E sound, we can elongate the syllable by an O or U for the O syllable or I or E for the E syllable. So these would be pronounced identically. O, me would become O, me. Independently, we write O or U, and in the E case, an E or I. Let's go back to the station sign. You can see here that this is read Jo rather than Jo. And in English, the O has a macron on top. This is 西武球場前 station.